All right. We're ready for another quiz. I'm going to ask you 5 questions.
Okay.
Whoever wins this round gets to fly the drone first.
I'm gonna drive it.
Are you ready? Okay, first question. Who invented the first airplane?
The Wright brothers.
Abir 1-0. Next, what does supersonic mean?
Faster than the speed of sound.
All right, 1-1. What unit is used to measure height at which planes fly?
Feet.
You got it.
Yes.
Next, what height do passenger planes fly at?
31,000 feet to 42,000 feet.
That was tough, Abir. It's 2-all. Okay, last question. Whoever gets this wins the round. Who invented the drone?
Abraham Carrillo.
It's Abraham Karim, but I give it to you. Abir wins this.